Yes. Welcome, guys. This is another educational content on the channel, and today we're going to talk about volume. A lot of people have seen these two on their TradingView and they don't know what it does. This two here is what we call volume indicator, and it's very useful. It's used to measure. Is there any volatility in the market to hop on, and also you can use to monitor your exits and also your entries in the market. We are going to talk about this right here in the video. All I want you to do is just subscribe to the channel, comment if you have any question, and I'll put the Telegram link in the description. You can just join and message me there if you have any question, guys. So this is it. Let's dive straight into the video. Alright, guys, so let's use this as example, and forgive me if the drawing is not nice. So let's assume this here, what you're seeing is the candlestick. That is the candlesticks. That is showing here. So let me label it candlesticks. Let me just clear this one and label it candlesticks. So we are using this one as example. So forgive me if my drawing is not nice. So this one you are seeing here is the candlestick. That's the candle movement, and down here you are seeing is the volume indicator. So forgive me if my drawing is not nice. So one thing you need to know is the volume here determine the volatility of the candlesticks. Anytime market is moving momentumly, you're gonna see the movement around here. You can see when price was dropping from here to the downside. Look at the indication on the volume indicator. Now we are having a small movement from here to the outside. And now when the movement was massive, the volume started increasing also to the outside. Now when you got here, the volume started slowing down. So anytime price is moving massively, you're gonna see the indication on the volume indicator. The same thing happened around this place. There is a little volume around this area, and you can see the same thing was around here. So anything happening on the chart is also happening on the volume indicator. Now look at how price moved from here to the outside. That is the massive push, and the same thing happened on the volume indicator, guys. Now let's go to the live example and let's see how to apply the price action in the chart to the volume indicator to advantage. This is the chart of BTC USD. You can see it's here BTC USD, and we are in the daily time frame. We are using base time, and we are in the daily time frame. Now look at the movement of price here. This was when there was election. That was December during the election. Look at how price behaved. Because price was trapped in this consolidation around this area, the same thing was happening on the volume indicator. The volume indicator was trapped in this region. Now you can see during election that Trump won, price decided to push all the way to the outside. Now let me show you something. We were trapped in this channel around this place. Now you can see we are trapped in this channel. That is when price was consolidating, and you can see the same thing. Anytime there's a massive push, it shows on the volume indicator. Now look at this area here. There was no movement on the volume indicator. There's no movement with price. And when price started pushing, the breakout happened around this place. The same thing, the breakout happened around this area. You can see there was a consolidation here, breakout happened, and the candles started increasing. You can see the massive push on the volume indicator, you can see, and also the increase started. So if you are an investor and you see this and you are in the trade, you hold the trade because you can see there's more volatility in the market. You can see the same thing happen when you come to this area. The same thing happened around this place. Now look at the action of price around here. We were trapped in this area. You can see the movement. Now price pushing from here got trapped around this area too, you can see, and it was trapped also around this area. The volume indicator was also trapped. Now look at the momentum increase around this place, and also the momentum increase on price. So you can see anytime price start to move, the same thing happening on the volume indicator. Now let's come to this area here. Now look at the action also. Look at the momentum of price. When you got here, momentum of the indicator, we were trapped also around this place, and now we started dropping to the downside, and it showed also on the chart, and we were trapped in this consolidation here. This was the consolidation, and now we see the move. It started pushing. That was the drop from here to the downside, guys. So if you are an investor, you can use the volume indicator to determine your entry. So assuming if I want to hop on a trade that I've got a setup around this place, if you got a setup around this place, your stop loss is here. You look at the volume indicator. If you start increasing like what is showing here, that means price wants to go. So you can actually enter the trade based on the confirmation that you are seeing. Now let's zoom in more and let's see whatever is happening there. Now I have zoomed in. I just zoom in price and look at the reaction of price around that place. A perfect shape. You can see we are in a consolidation here because price is just trapped in this range here. And when the momentum started pushing, you can see the volume also started increasing, guys. So this also here is used for investors to time their entry. Is it time to exit? Is it time to hold my position? Should I enter because there's volume or not? Okay, so guys, you can see the same thing happening around this place. You can see the same momentum around this place. Look at the momentum push. Look at the momentum push. Now look at the candle. Look at this candle. Momentum candle. Look at this strong momentum candle. That was when the impulse started, guys. So you can see when there was a consolidation around this place, price was doing nothing. You can see. But when there was a push, we all saw the impulse that price printed around this place. So guys, this is how to use the volume indicator to your advantage. Follow the page, subscribe to the channel, comment if you have any question, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.